All right, time for another room review. We are in the Royal Sonesta, and this is basically going to be like the standard room. I actually had this requested on the Royal Sonesta full tour video that I did. They said, why didn't you include the room? So I'm including the room. It's basically, we are in a standard room, so this is going to cover basically all of the rooms, with the exception is we have an interior balcony. So the only difference between this and the standard room that you're going to have here at the Royal Sonesta is going to be the balcony, which I will show you. And then the only other types of rooms are the split level suite, which I have stayed in as well. It's awesome, especially if you get the pool split level suite and if you're getting multiple bedrooms. So this will cover everything else basically. So if you want to know the specifics, we are in room 455 right there. And we'll start off just showing the bathroom. And again, basic stuff, but all just really, really nice. The Royal Sonesta is all really, really nice. It's a fancy hotel. And then the closet space is ample, and you get an iron and an ironing board. And you do have these are pretty nice drawers with some nice hardware here. Just starting to get unpacked. And then you got the full-length mirror here, and then we got the two queen beds because Ben is with us, and just really nice beds, multiple pillows. Just everything's real fancy and nice looking, all the gold accents and everything. Here will be your safe. Right in there, you got your safe. And the alarm clock, radio deal. More storage down here. The TV, which we never use anymore. Everybody's got a tablet. You got your mini fridge. It's not a mini bar. It's just a fridge where you can stick stuff in for yourself. Little coffee maker, which is nice. All kinds of different coffees, lamp, ice, and the obligatory $8 water. All right, so this is what sets this room apart, is we walk out and we have a shared balcony. So there's neighbors on each side, but you can walk straight down that staircase and right to the pool. So it's not pool front. You're actually overlooking the courtyard down there, but I'll just take you out and show you. So again, you will have neighbors. It's not a private balcony, but it's really convenient just to not even have to go inside of the hotel to get to the pool, take the elevator and all that. You just walk right out, right down those steps. So if you're looking to use the pool a lot, this might be a good choice, this interior balcony and this specific kind of location as well. Anything kind of in this location. All right, quick video, short and sweet because there's not much to the room. We love the Royal Sonesta. Check out the full walkthrough video, and until next time, everybody, take care.